Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can increase your video quality in Google Photos. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Photos and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. Right here, you're gonna find photos, memories, library, and search. Here in the top right corner, you're gonna find your profile icon. If you click on it, right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find your account. Here, you're gonna find the option to back up to a different account. And right here, you're gonna find your account storage. Here, you're gonna find the option to free up space. Here, you're gonna find your data in Google Photos, Photos settings, and lastly, help and feedback. So right now, I'm gonna click on Photos settings. Once you click on photo settings, this will take you to this page. So basically guys, once you're here you're gonna find backup, notifications, preferences, sharing, apps and devices, and lastly, privacy. So basically guys, right now, if you want to increase your video quality in Google Photos, firstly go to backup. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here in this page. Go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Right here, you're gonna find settings, and the rest you're gonna find backup quality, mobile data usage, and backup device folders. Go ahead and click on backup quality, and then right here you're gonna find two options: original quality, backup with no change to quality, and also storage saver, store more at a slightly reduced quality. So right now, go ahead and make sure you select original quality, and then click on select, then you're good to go. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.